LG the most trusted washing machine brand for 2019. Report: LG has emerged as the most trusted washing machine brand for 2019. As per TRA's Brand Trust Report, LG claims to be the first in the industry to launch 5-star rating washing machines in top-loading and semi-automatic range, featuring the innovative Wi-Fi, NFC technology as well as 6-motion direct drive. LG washing machines enable 99.9% germ-free wash. OnePlus reveals brand name and logo of its TV portfolio. OnePlus has revealed the name of its upcoming TV portfolio as OnePlus TV, which it says is to the point yet straightforward. The logo shows a TV behind the brand logo. One represents at the moment, and plus means endless possibilities for the future. And we made a tribute to this concept when we designed this logo, said the company. Oculus co-founder Nate Mitchell quits Facebook. The final Oculus co-founder remaining at Facebook, Nate Mitchell, has announced he is leaving Facebook. Some bittersweet news to share. After 7 incredible years at Oculus, Facebook, I'm moving on. It's been a privilege to be a part of the VR community. And I can't wait to see what comes next, Mitchell tweeted. Amazon sends 20 order updates with private info to wrong people. E-commerce giant Amazon has admitted that a technical issue sent confirmations and updates for orders placed by about 20 different users to random users. An affected user alleged that the order updates contained private information including name and postal address. The e-commerce giant, however, claimed that email and credit card information of the users was not included in the updates. Hacker converts iPhone charging cable into hacking tool. A hacker who goes by the online handle MG rigged an iPhone charging cable with a small Wi-Fi enabled implant to convert it into a hacking tool from a nearby device and within Wi-Fi range, or attached to a nearby Wi-Fi network. An attacker can wirelessly transmit malicious payloads on their computer using the cable.